Welcome to this explainer. Look, today we are going to completely shatter the barrier to entry for investing and give you the ultimate beginner's roadmap. If you've ever felt like the world of finance is, locked behind some exclusive VIP door, well, you are absolutely in the right place. Okay, let's dive right in and address the massive elephant in the room. Do you actually need a fortune to start investing? What if I told you that you don't need lakhs of rupees or to be some sort of mathematical genius to get started today? Seriously, the truth is that barrier is largely just an illusion, and it's keeping perfectly capable people sitting on the sidelines. So here is our roadmap for today. First, debunking the wealth myth. Second, making your money work. Third, your investment starter checklist. Fourth, common beginner traps. And finally, next steps and disclaimers. All right, let's hit section 1, debunking the wealth myth. The absolute biggest thing holding most people back is this wild myth that investing is a playground exclusively for the rich or for financial experts. But the reality, today's investment products actually allow you to jump in with tiny amounts. Building wealth isn't about starting with a massive lump sum at all. It's really about building the habit of investing consistently over time.
Moving right along to section 2, making your money work.
Picture this. Think about your cash just sitting in a basic low-yield savings account, or worse, tucked under a mattress. That is money sitting completely idle. It's literally doing nothing for you. So instead of letting your cash just sit there gathering dust, investing means putting your money into assets that have the potential to grow over time. Essentially, you are giving your money a job. You're putting it to work for you around the clock. So where do we actually put this money to work? Well, you've got a lot of options. You have vehicles ranging from things like stocks, mutual funds, and ETFs for higher potential growth, all the way to bonds, gold, and fixed deposits for steadier, lower risk returns. The real beauty of it is crafting the mix that perfectly fits your goals as you learn and grow more comfortable with the market. And here is a totally crucial takeaway. Time in the market is generally way more important than perfectly timing the market. This is the immense power of compounding at work. Think of it like a snowball effect. When your money grows, that new growth generates even more growth. Even a super small amount invested consistently over a lot of years makes a stunning difference. So don't wait for that perfect magical moment. Start early.
Okay, on to the main event. Section 3, your investment starter checklist.
Now, these 6 non-negotiable steps are your actual blueprint for safely launching your investment journey today. First up, build an emergency fund. You need this so a sudden unexpected expense doesn't force you to sell your investments in a blind panic. Next, clear out any high-interest debt. Get rid of it. With a clean slate, define exactly what financial goals you're investing for. Then, take the time to learn your asset options, honestly assess how much market movement your stomach can handle, and finally, diversify. Never, ever put all your money into a single asset. Checking off these 6 boxes gets you fully prepared for the long haul. Which brings us to section 4, common beginner traps. Look, the absolute fastest way to completely derail your journey is letting emotions take the wheel. Chasing rumors, buying into whatever is hyped on social media, and expecting overnight profits, that almost always ends in disaster. If you don't fully understand the product you're buying, or if you fail to diversify your portfolio, you are essentially just gambling. You're not investing. You've got to keep your emotions in check, especially when the market inevitably dips, to avoid panic selling and locking in completely unnecessary losses. Because successful investing ultimately boils down to 3 core things: patience, discipline, and continuous learning. True wealth generation is a marathon, guys. It is not a sprint. If you stick to the structured checklist we just built today and remain calm through the market cycles, your financial literacy is going to grow right alongside your portfolio. Finally, bringing it home with section 5, next steps and disclaimers. Now, as always, please remember the information in this explainer is strictly for educational purposes only and absolutely does not constitute financial advice. All investments in the securities market carry inherent risks. We highly recommend consulting a qualified SEBI-registered investment advisor before making any financial moves. Protect your hard-earned money by staying informed and always doing your own thorough research. I'm going to leave you with a question to chew on today. Have you made your first investment yet? If you have, take a second to evaluate it against today's starter checklist. But if you haven't, what is actually holding you back right now? You literally have the roadmap in your hands to start today. Thank you so much for joining this explainer. Keep learning and invest wisely.